Good evening, class 7. So, yesterday we read that from the sun the heat comes to us by another process known as radiation. The transfer of heat by radiation does not require any medium. It can take place whether a medium is present or not. When we sit in front of a room heater, we get heat by this process. So, similar process is followed in front of room heater. From the room heater also, that heat comes to us by this process. A hot utensil kept away from the flame cools down as it transfers heat to the surroundings by radiation. So, suppose মা চা বানিয়েছে বা দুধ গরম করেছে, গরম করে গ্যাস থেকে নামিয়েছে, এবার যে ইউটেন্সিল যে বাটিটা যেটাতে গরম করেছে সেটা তো আস্তে আস্তে ঠান্ডা হবে, তার হিটটা যাবে কোথায়? টু দ্য ফ্লোর অ্যান্ড টু দ্য সারাউন্ডিং, রাইট? Our body too gives heat to the surroundings and receives heat from it by radiation. All hot bodies radiate heat. When this heat falls on some object, a part of it is reflected, a part of it is absorbed, and a part may be transmitted. So, three things happens. So, all hot bodies radiate heat, that is they release heat, and when this heat falls on some object, some part is reflected, some part is absorbed, and some part is transmitted to others by surroundings. The temperature of the object increases due to the absorbed part of the heat. So, the more heat is absorbed, the more temperature will increase of an object. Why are you advised to use an umbrella when you go out in the sun? যখন রোদে বেরো কেন ছাতা ইউজ করো? So that your body does not get that much of sun's heat, right? Now, kinds of clothes we wear in summer and winter, you are already aware of this. You know that in summer we prefer light color clothes, and in winter we usually wear dark color clothes. Why is it so? You know that dark color absorbs more heat. So, let us see this activity 4.10. Take two identical tin cans. একই রকম দুটো tin can নিতে বলছে. Paint the outer surface of one black and of the other white. Pour equal amounts of water in each and leave them. Take in the midday sun for about an hour. একটাতে ব্ল্যাক কালার করেছে, একটাতে প্লেন, দুটো জল ভরে সূর্যের আলোতে রেখে দাও 1 ঘন্টা. Now measure the temperature of water in both the cans. Do you find any difference in the temperatures? In which can is the water warmer? You can feel the difference even by touching water in the two cans. So definitely black can যেটা আছে সেটাতে জল বেশি গরম হবে. Let us see the blue box. We often use electricity and fuels like coal and wood to keep our houses cool or warm. তাই তো? Is it possible to construct buildings that are not affected much by heat and cold outside? এরকম কি possible যেটা বাইরে থেকে হিট বা কোল্ড থেকে বেশি affected না হয়? Now this can be done by constructing outer walls of buildings so that they have trapped layers of air. যে বাইরের দেয়ালটা থাকবে মাঝখানে ফাঁকা রাখতে হবে, দেয়ালে মাঝখানে গ্যাপ, air gap, because air is a good insulator. One way of doing this is to use hollow bricks which are available these days. Hollow bricks, but generally we don't construct because of due to the strength. Some places people might be constructing. Activity 4.11. Fill the two cans used in activity 4.10 with the same amount of hot water and the same amount, say 60 degrees Celsius. Leave the cans in a room in a shade. Note the temperature of water after 10-15 minutes. So সেম যেটা আমরা নিয়েছিলাম, একটাতে পেইন্টেড একটাতে নট, ছায়াতে রাখতে বলছে, 10-15 মিনিট পর দেখতে বলছে, আর গরম জল ছিল 60 ডিগ্রি সেলসিয়াস. Does the temperature of water in both the cans fall by the same amount? দুটোতেই কি একভাবে কমে যায়? Do this activity suggest to you the reason why it is more comfortable to wear white or light color clothes in the summer? তো ডেফিনেটলি এই কেসেও কিন্তু যেটা পেইন্টেড আছে সেটাতে গরমটা বেশিক্ষণ থাকবে. এই যে লেখা আছে ডার্ক surfaces absorb more heat and therefore we feel comfortable with dark color clothes in the winter, whereas light color clothes reflect most of the heat that falls on them and therefore we feel more comfortable wearing them in summer. So light color clothes reflect most of the heat and dark color clothes absorb most of the heat. Now woolen clothes keep us warm in winter. In the winter we use woolen clothes. Wool is a poor conductor of heat. Moreover, there is air trapped in between the wool fibers. This air prevents the flow of heat from our body to the cold surroundings. So we feel warm. So this is the answer if the question comes, why do we feel warm wearing woolen clothes? How does woolen clothes keep us warm? Eta answer ta hobe. Suppose you are given the choice in winter of using either one thick blanket or two thin blankets joined together. What would you choose and why? Remember that there would be a layer of air in between the blankets. So definitely two thin blankets will be much better. There are some small questions. You can easily do these. So take it as homework. And also I will be giving you some extra questions. Right? I will post in the WhatsApp group. Eta post kore debo ami. You can see there are some extra questions. So you need to do these. অল্পই দিচ্ছি, বেশি নেই। Clear? I will post them in WhatsApp also. Thank you very much.